Today, I'm going to show you how to make this animated video. I'll be using Canva. Go to Canva and click Video. Choose this video resolution, and you can upload your images that you want to use in the animation from the upload. I'm just going to use these images. Drag the first image and go to Transparency and make the transparency 40. The second step, add your text, change the font, and change the color. Type another text and select both of them, group and place them down, and go to Elements again and drag the second image. Resize it. Go to Layers, Show Layers, drag it to the top, and add a new page. Let's use this lemon slice image. Let's place one of them here. Go to Edit and blur the whole image, and set the intensity to 55. Let's place it here, then duplicate and place the second one here. Select both of them and click Group and Copy, and paste in the first page, and drag this sliced lemon image. Let's increase the size like this. Go to the second page and delete it, then duplicate the first one. Go to the second page and go to Layers, Show Layers, the sliced lemons, and increase this image and hide it behind this image. Drag this image a little bit down. Click in this gradient image as well. Drag it down and click on the text. Drag it to the top. And now let's add this slice of lemon. Go to Layers, Show Layers, make it behind this image, drag it to the right side, and keep just this transparent part like this. Duplicate this page. Go to the third page, rotate this gradient image, and move it to the left side. Click on the text and move it to the right side. Click on this sliced lemon and drag it inside and rotate it a little bit. Duplicate this page. Go to the last page. Click on this gradient image, increase the size. Click on this sliced lemon, increase the size as well, and rotate it a little bit. Drag this image to the middle of the page. Add new text to the last page. Rotate the text a little bit like this. Let's change the font to Anton, and change the color to white. Type the next word. Duplicate this text, and select all. Type just the letter F. Replace it with this one, click in this word, and delete the letter F from this word. Animate it with bounce and click on this letter, animate it with stomp. Then go to lemon and animate it with block. Go to effects, make left shadow and increase the intensity and make italic. Now let's adjust the timing. Let's make letter F the first and make this appear after and make the lemon appear last. Now add transition, match, and move. Increase the duration and apply it between all pages. Let's decrease the timing of each page. Let's make it just 2 seconds apply to all pages. And here is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.